We're on Jeff at 345. Jeff's ready. Donnie, you're on deck. Adam Z, you're in the hole. Josh, you're in the wing. Second attempt, Jeff made 325, body weight of 196. Jeff is in the open category. Let's see if he can go 2 for 2.
He's not old.
Our weight is at 345. Wow, way to stay with it. That was beautiful. Let's go to, where are we now? We're going to go to 345. We're staying.